How to send blank messages on Discord. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you can switch to any of the servers. And after that, in your home page of the Discord app, you can see this welcome to friends, and here you can see this box, and here you can type any of the messages and send to your friends. So what you have to do to send blank message is you have to go to your keyboard and find this star button. You have to type this star button 2 times, and then you have to type the on the space bar, and you have to type on the space bar up to 5 times, and then you have to again type the a star button to a star button. Here you can see, and after that you can see this dot button. You have to delete this, clear this, and then here you can see there is two and two 4 star button. And after that, what you can do is you can click on the send button, and here you can see there is no message here. So this is the blank message. So that's basically it, that how you can send blank messages on Discord. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.